Kwa nini maalbino wanakusanywa namna hii? Kuna tatizo gani kwa upande wa serikali? Just get close.
Tatizo ni ushirikina sio? Uliokithiri ndani ya nchi yetu.
Kimsingi tatizo ni kama lilivyo kwamba kuna tabia ya ushirikina iliyojitokeza miongoni mwa Watanzania. Sasa baadhi ya wale wenye mila potofu au wanadhana potofu wanachukulia kwamba albino kama albino anaweza kawa ni kiashiria cha kumpa utajiri. Kwa hiyo which means wanapochukua kiungo cha albino wakitumia kwenye mambo yao wanafanya kwamba ni.
You see, the problem is the government decided to gather them with the security because of you know, there's this traditional witch doctors believe that when you get an albino joint, albino, anything about albino, they kill them, they get part of it, they go to witch doctors, they do something, and they get rich.
Okay.
So now the albinos all over Tanzania, they are not safe.
Okay.
They are not safe at all. So the government itself is trying to gather them together, give them security, as you see them here.
Okay.
But you know, the government, they're just talking that they take care of them.
Yeah.
But the caring is too weak.
Yeah, there's not enough funds.
It's not, they don't give out enough funds, as you see them.
Vile vile nikueleza kwa sababu tujenge mji wetu ni kwamba nchi yote ya Tanzania imeona Tanga pana usalama wa hawa watu.
You see, okay, all over Tanzania, you know, the government itself chose Tanga town as a more secure town to albinos.
Okay.
So this is the only section which the Tanzanian government chose to gather them in Tanga.
Okay.
They have a belief that all over Tanzania it's not secure like Tanga town.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why they're here. And the albinos, you see them here, and other girls, they are there also. They are all over Tanzania. It's not only Tanga town or maybe.
They come from all over Tanzania.
All over Tanzania. All over Tanzania.
And the government looks after them here, but not to a standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Na tatizo lingine waambie kwamba idadi ya vijana hawa ni wengi, lakini sasa tunashindwa kuwapokea kwa ajili ya ufinyu wa majengo. Alafu tulikuwa na taratibu ya kuweka fence, lakini bado hatujafanikiwa kukamilisha hili.
Okay, and these are not the only albinos in Tanzania.
Okay.
There are a lot, you see, but the space itself is small. They cannot afford to take more, to receive more. You see, that's why they are trying to get some more charities. They expanded the place. They take, you know, the albinos, they are here. They are from places which are selected places which it's not safe at all.
High risk sort of children.
Places, yeah. High risk places and high belief places where they, you know, there are areas they highly believe that if I get an albino joint, then I'll be rich.
Yes.
Yeah, there are some places like Tanga town, they don't believe on that.
Yes.
So there are albinos around Tanga.
Yeah, no
but
problem.
There is no belief that if you get an albino joint, you'll be rich.
Right.
So they are not here.